Hello everyone, welcome to this Kubernetes deployment topic. So in this mainly we will focus on how we can do the faster deployment or upgrade. You can call it as a rollout as well. Okay, so let me quickly go through with the deployment, what exactly it is and how it works in the Kubernetes. So let me go to some paint and we will draw something so that you will get better understanding of it. Okay, so once you create, let's say deployment, let's consider this is the deployment and I'll give some name to this deployment as, let's say, I'll just name it to the my dep, that is the deployment. Let's consider it. And within this deployment, a replica set will get created. Okay, and this will get created automatically as part of this controller. Okay, and let's say if I specify 4 pods in the replica section, then definitely in this replica there will be 4 pods up and running. Okay, so this is the basic concept behind the deployment. Let me name it properly so that things will be much easy for us to understand. So let's go ahead and see if do we have anything available at our end. No. Let's go ahead and create a deployment. So I'll create this in the declarative manner, not in the imperative. Okay, it will be easy for us to understand. Kubectl create deployment. You can write deploy as well, as both are the same because deploy is the shortcut for the deployment. Name it as my dep. It's up to you. You can name it according to your wish. And I wanted to create from the image nginx, and let's say replicas equal to 4. I'll just create a YAML file for it. So for that matter, I just need to run it at the as a dry run equal to client hyphen output in the YAML format. So this is how I can generate a YAML file for the deployment. Deployment.yaml, I'll name it, and let's open this file which I have just generated and delete some unwanted things like resource status, creation timestamp. I'll delete this strategy as of now and this creation timestamp as well. So you can see I'm going to create 4 pods from nginx image. Okay, and the deployment name will be mydep. So let's save it and apply it. It got created and let's wait till it's be up and running. So as of now there are 4 pods and you can see these are the 4 pods which got created as part of this deployment, and this 4 pod belong to this replica set and the replica set belong to the deployment. So deployment name will be mydep. Name of the replica set is like this one. Let me update this in my diagram so that it will be easy for us to understand. Okay, so this is the replica set and these all are the pods. Now this much we understood. Okay, let's see if all the pods are up and running or not. Yeah, all these pods are now running condition, and that's why 4 out of 4 are into the ready. Okay, so all clear till now. Now let's go ahead and upgrade our application. So how you are going to upgrade it? You just have to modify the image or modify the tag associated with that image, and that's how we usually upgrade our application. So I'll open this deployment YAML one more time, and let's look into which all tags we have available for the nginx image into the Docker Hub. This nginx image is a public image which I'm using, and we'll use this Docker official image. So let's open this image and we'll see more information about it. So you can see there are a lot many tags associated with this image. 1.25.2 mainline 1, 1.25. So I'll go ahead with 1 as a tag. So I can use anything because here we are not learning this image. We just want to see how fast the deployment is and how we can make it better. Okay, let's go ahead and save it. So once you modify this image, then upgrade is going to happen. It's configured and you'll see that the pods are now creating. And one more thing you just need to take care over here, or like keep an eye that replica set got created, new replica set. Okay, you can see the age. From the age only you can confirm that which one is the old replica set and which one is the new. So if this age is 2 minutes, it means it was created 2 minutes back. This replica set created 3 seconds before. So it means this is the newer replica set and this is the old replica set. Okay, so this is how you can confirm which one is new and which one is old by looking into the timestamp. And now in the old replica set, all pods are 0 now, and in the new replica set, we have 4 of the 4 pods. So upgrade got successful over here, and that's where all the pods are also up and running, which are part of the new replica set. So always the pod name will be start with new replica set name hyphen some random characters. You can see the replica set name, new replica set name is ending with 5b, which is mentioned over here. Okay, and how this upgrade happens, like what is the procedure or what is the thing which happen in the background. If you want to know, so definitely you can get an idea about it. You just need to describe this my deployment and you will get to see the entire things which happen in the background. So let's describe it. And main thing we have to just look into the event section. Okay, so let me just copy paste this event section into one of the terminal. I can say this is the Visual Studio where I used to write my all the code. Now you can say for the very first line, okay, this one, and this ending with CC is the old replica set. So when we have created deployment for the very first time, that time this CC replica set got created, and within that 4 pods were available. Now once we upgrade our application, okay, in that case one pod got created in the new replica set, and once that pod is into the ready condition, one pod from the old replica set got deleted. Again one pod added in the new replica set and one pod deleted from the old replica set. So likewise all the pods will be available in the new replica set and old replica set will have 0 pods. So let me show you diagrammatically to make these things better. Okay, so this was the case before upgrade. Now we have upgraded our application. So that's where a new replica set will get created over here. Let's name it. And within that, for the very first time, a pod got created with a new image. And once it is into the ready condition, then this pod got any one of the pod, any one out of these 4 will get deleted. And then again, one pod added over here and one pod will get deleted from the old. Likewise, this procedure will keep on continue till the time all pods from the old one will be deleted and all pods within the new one will be up and running and into the ready condition. Okay, so I hope this much is clear now. But what happens over here, let's say if there are 100 pods, okay, as of now there are only 4 pods, that's where the deployment finishes very quickly, upgrade finishes very quickly. But what if there are 100 pods? So in that case, like one pod in the new replica set, one in the old, again one in the new, again one from the old will get deleted. So this process will keep on continue till the time 100 pod will get created in the new replica set and 100 deleted from the old replica set. And that's why it will take a lot of time, because it's not like every time the case is like Nginx pod is very small, so that's where it will come up very quickly. But sometimes pod will take some time to be up and ready, okay? Because there are some liveness probes, some readiness probes that definitely we will learn in this section, in some other section. But because of those probes as well, our pod will take some time to be ready. And in that case, if there are 100 or 200 or 500 pods, in that case, definitely this is very time-taking process to upgrade our application 100%. So that's where we need to look into some fundamentals, or we have to learn something new where we can finish this deployment very quickly. Okay, so I'll just do Control Z just for time being. Okay, and let's keep it as over. So what I'll do, main thing you just need to understand how come like one pod at a time is getting used over here. That is nothing but based on this strategy. So by default it is a rolling update strategy, and 25% max unavailable and 25% max surge. These are the two different things which we need to understand over here, and this will make our life easy, and deployment will happen very quickly over here. Okay, so I'll just write it down. Okay, this is the default setting that rolling update strategy follow. 25%. Okay, there are total 4 pods. Okay, so 25% of the 4 will be 1. So that's where max unavailable is like 1. So one pod we can delete from the old replica set. That is what this is suggesting. Okay, unavailable is nothing but deleting from the old replica set. And 25% max surge is like how much max pod we can have by combining both the replica set. Okay, so max is like 25%. This is a default percentage. We will modify it and we will see how things will work after modifying these settings. So 25% max surge is like how many total number of pods will be there in the old plus new replica set. So 25% of 4 will be 1. So as of now, we are dealing with 4 pods. So that's where 25% of 4 will be 1. So maximum there can be 1 pod. Okay, so that's where you can see earlier there were 4 pods in the old replica set, and now we just upgraded. So that's where it will add 1 pod. 25% of 4 will be 1. So that's where it will take only 1 pod in the new replica set. So total will be 5. Once it will become 5, 1 pod from the old replica set will get deleted, and in parallel to that, 1 pod will get added in the new replica set. Okay, so likewise, it will keep on continue till the time all the pods in the new replica set will be up and running and into the ready condition, and from the old it will become 0. So what we can do, we can go ahead and learn with some bigger number of pods so that things will be very much easy for us to understand. Right now over here only one things are happening. So what I will do, I'll just delete this, and you can get the code for this as well just by getting the YAML file for this. Let's get this deployment into the YAML format, and you can just look for that strategy over here. I'll just copy paste this code at my end, and what I'll do, let me delete this deployment, and we will do it one more time. Okay, again let's come to the start position, and let's update this YAML file with the thing which I have just copied, nothing but a strategy, which is the rolling update. And these things are the default one. That's where even though I haven't provided this strategy, max search, max unavailable, these are the default settings that will be taken care by the deployment. Okay, this time I will do replicas equal to 8 so that you will get a better understanding. Let's save it. Do we have anything available? No. Apply -m deployment. So 8 pods will get created. So all are into the container creating. So let's wait till it gets into the running condition. There is some error image pull. I guess something wrong with the image which I have provided. Let me delete. And I guess spelling is wrong or what? NGINX is the spelling, which looks okay. Strategy also looks okay. Then, okay, let me do it one more time. Okay, so let's wait till everything gets settled over here. Okay, so all these pods are up and running now. Actually, there was some power cut at my end, so that's where I was not able to pull Nginx image from the Docker Hub. Okay, so let's ignore that. Now we have our all the 8 pods up and running, and what I will do, I'll just upgrade our image now. I'll modify this tag so that upgrade will happen, and now we will see how quickly it will happen. So I haven't done any changes right now, it's related to the strategy. But what if if we have 8 pods and how it will react to it? My strategy, how it will react to it, like max unavailable, maxSurge. So how it will play with that? Let's see. So let's wait till all our pods up and running. So I guess all my pods are up and running now. Let me check it one more time. Yeah, and let's see the description, because in the description we will get to see the important things. Okay, let's undescribe this deployment, copy this so that I can show you properly. Okay, this was the case for the 4 pods. Okay, now we have 8 pods. So you can see this is the new replica, sorry, this is the old replica set ending with CC having 8 pods. And once I upgrade it in the new replica set, 2 pods got added, not one. Why? Because max surge is like 25% of 8 will be 2. So maximum I'll add 2 pods over here. So total will be 10 pods. So as soon as the 2 pods will be up and running, I have mentioned 25% is max unavailable. It means like 2%, sorry, 2 pod we can delete from the old replica set. So that's where from the old replica set, 2 pods will get deleted, and out of 8, 2 will get deleted and remain 6 over here. So likewise, if you do the calculation likewise, then always there will be 10 pods whenever whenever a new pod will get added to the replica set. So total will be the old plus new equal to 10 pods, and once that will be the 10, again 2 pods from the old will get deleted. So that will keep on continue. But what happens over here again, this will take a lot of time if we have 100 or 200 pods. So in that case, definitely we can increase this percentage so that things will happen very quickly. Okay, so let me show you that thing as well, how we can do it and what will happen if we, in case if we increase these numbers. So this is belongs to this, so I'll do 50% max unavailable and 50% max search. So let's see the output for these numbers. So I'll do this quickly. Let me delete deployment my dep, and this time instead of 25 I'll make it 50, and I'll keep the replicas equal to 8 only, and I'll change this back to normal. So this time I'm keeping this 50-50% so that things will happen little bit quickly as compared to the previous one. Okay, so for the first time when you do, all the pod will get created in parallel in this replica set. So it doesn't matter, that strategy will matter only when you are going to upgrade the application. Okay, so all pods into the running condition now. In that case, let's quickly upgrade our application by changing the tag of the image, save it, apply it, and let's wait till all the pods become into the running condition. Okay, so you can see a lot of things are happening in the background, which we can monitor with the help of -w. So it will give us a real-time view of all the pods, like which are terminating, which are still into the running and pending, all those status. Okay, so I hope it is now stable. So all parts are now up and running. Let's confirm it once and let's see the description now. And let me copy this description. Now you can see as compared to this 25% max unavailable and max surge, the deployment finished little bit quicker because number of lines, it means number of steps. Okay, so this time when you do the deployment for the very first time, I will have 8 pods, and while upgrade, at a time 4 pod will get deleted. So at a time 4 pod will get added into the new replica set, and once the 4 pod will get added in the new replica set, because 50% of 8 will be 4, so 4 pod will get added in the new replica set. And max unavailable is like how many we can delete it from the old one. So 50% of 8 will be 4 pods, so that's where 4 pods will get deleted from the old one, and 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So likewise, this will keep on continue till the time all the 8 pods will be up and running in the new one, and 8 pods will be deleted from the old one. And this is how we can increase the speed of the deployment or upgrade within the Kubernetes by making use of this max search and max unavailable things. You can make 75%, 25% as well according to your requirement. Okay, so that's all what I wanted to share within this session. So I hope you got it. If you have any doubt, just feel free to comment in the comment section. And if you like the content which I'm sharing, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much for joining. Take care. Bye bye.